In this video we're going to show how to remove the rear lights, both inner and outer, on a Tiguan Mk2, that's years 2017 onwards. Tools you'll need for the job: an 8mm socket and a small flat screwdriver or hook or pick. First, to do the outer light, you're going to have to remove this access flap, so using your screwdriver just pop that out, and there's a little tab at the top and bottom, just unhook them. That comes out, and then you've got access to the back of the light there. Sometimes it can be easier to do the connector first, the electrical connector with the wires, so you can pop the little red tab out, and that lets you push the main tab behind it in once that's back. So push that in and the plug will come out, and now you can use your hand to undo this screw, so anti-clockwise, and then I'll take you to the outside of the car in a second and you'll see what happens as we're unscrewing that. So now we're at the outside of the car, so I've got my hand on the screw inside that you saw in the last shot, and as we're unscrewing that, you'll notice there the light pushes out as it's being unscrewed. So turn it anti-clockwise till you feel the inside not able to turn anymore, and then just give the light a wiggle and that'll pull straight out towards you, and that's the outer light removed. So this is the electrical connector that we couldn't quite see before. So what we're doing there is moving this red tab back. It's in the back position there. Once that is back, then you can press that tab and that'll release it from the light. Now for the inner light. So we go to the back of it on the boot lid. Again, pop the cover off on the back of it. You'll see a similar setup before, similar type of thing with a plug. So we're pulling the red tab back, and then we can push the green tab in the middle in, and that'll release. And then holding the light in, there's two 8mm bolts there which we'll undo. Now we've pulled the boot lid down halfway, just pushing on the back of the light, and it'll pop up on the inner edge first, and then it sort of hooks round there. So if you fold it up, pulling out the inside, and you can just wiggle the plastic around the inside, and that's the inner light removed.